Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete the employee at BambooHR. So let's say you no longer are working with some employees and they either moved or you had to fire them, but their files stayed in your BambooHR workspace. So all we have to do is go to people, and you see a couple of people that I have here. All of those are here. It's pre-made by BambooHR, so I'm gonna click at the first one, and as you can see, there is a couple of options in here. Charlotte Danielle Abbott, let's say she's now working, or we have to delete her account, and basically what we have to do is click on this little wheel or the setting wheel, and we have request signature, download form, BambooHR access, and the last one is delete employee. And easily, once you have to write down delete, you can delete the employee. It's not reversible, and you see the employee number 1 is deleted. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.